Hello everyone, today I've got a room tour of room 1010 at Sofitel Kuala Lumpur Damansara. This is the doorbell. This is the key card. Let's go ahead and get the room tour started. Okay, so that is the back of the door with the floor plan. To the left, as you enter the room, you have a slot to insert the key card for the room's power, do not disturb and make up room switches. Down there is a power outlet. And right here, we have the open wardrobe area, or rather walk-in wardrobe if you will. Right above, you have extra pillows or storage depending on what you use it for. We have an umbrella right there with a place to put your luggage below, storage down there, and more storage below the drawers. Right down there, we have in-room slippers, laundry stuff, a couple of bathrobes, torchlight, the iron is right in there, and right here we have the ironing board. Okay, so this is the view that you get as you enter the room. Further inside, we have a mirror that is almost full length. Hello. And behind this sliding door is the bathroom. To the left, as we enter the bathroom, we have the bathtub with towels. Well, to the right, we have storage. I believe that's a weighing scale right there. Towels right there, the bin is right there. And right there we have more towels together with your bathroom amenities. Tissues are right there. And we have soaps and body lotion right there and right there respectively. Another mirror. We have lights on either sides of the mirror. Another mirror right there with power outlets. And further inside, we have the shower area right here. It is a dual shower setup, so we have the rain shower right above and a handheld shower right there. And to the left of the handheld shower, we have the body wash, conditioner and shampoo. We have a mirror right there. Hello. And behind this door is the toilet. Hello again. Okay, so further inside the room, we have a hanger right there for your suit. Sofa-like thing, a very large and comfortable bed. To the left, on the left bedside table, we have drawers, writing materials, the TV remote, in-room telephone, a note from like hotel stuff. And right there we have a power outlet, the climate control panel, various light switches, and a light right above. We also have a light strip behind the headboard. And right here we have mirrors, power outlets, sachets of tea, coffee, the coffee machine, a couple of bottles of water, And below, we have glasses, mugs, storage, and more storage down below together with a kettle. Right here, we have an empty fridge. And just opposite the bed, we have a flat screen LG TV. There is a bin down there, the desk area with a desk light. We have a table right there and another sofa-like thing. And right on the right bedside table, we have a light. I think this is a drawer as well. Yes, it is. And there we have a power outlet, light switches. Back to the desk. We have drawers, storage. Behind this, power outlets, HDMI port, USB-A port. And it is nighttime now, so you can't see the view out, but I'll show you a better view in the morning. Apologies for the wet window, but this is the view out in the morning. You have some buildings in the distance. I believe this is an office tower. This is a residential tower, and you can see some houses in the distance. The road in front of the hotel right there. The swimming pool of the hotel down below. And more buildings in the distance over there. But yeah, that's it for the room tour of room 1010 at Sofitel Kuala Lumpur Damansara. Thanks for watching and goodbye.